Well, hello diamond painters. Welcome to my channel, and now I have a special unboxing. This is not for you, mommy, so it's okay. You can watch it, mom. It's all right. It's not for you. um, I finally broke down an order from Crystal Canvas Art after watching your Lee's channel and other people's, but I was like, you know what? I keep seeing videos for Crystal Canvas Art. It's time. It's just time. It's time. So I have two Crystal Canvas Art. I ordered them both on the same day, October 1st. They shipped them out October 2nd. I can't believe it's already October. And I got them October 5th. One is called Stained Glass Cottage. The other one's called Enchanted Friends. Altogether, I spent $46. I got free shipping. So the cottage was $26 and the Enchanted Friends is $20. I put the codes down. I'm not sure if that is important or not. AM264 for the cottage and AM263 for the Enchanted Friends. So let's get this going. We'll find out how many colors we have in each. So it came in this box. I didn't even open the box yet. We're going to do this together. It's a kind of a long box. I had to go to my post office to get it because we do not have a mailman in or mail person for our little town. And so I walked there and I had this steep hill to walk all the way back up. And that hill is, whew, you want to work out. Come to my house and go up that hill. But I was like, you know what? I need to get out. I need to get some exercise. So, sorry. Why not walk to the post office? Well, I didn't have a car anyway. My car was getting inspected and had to get new tires in order to pass inspection anyway. So, I'll give you a little packing slip. It says, thank you, Aunt Jolie. And it has little hearts on it and a smiley face. I just don't want you guys to see my address. So, there it is. That was pretty nice of them. So, pretty good. So, the stained glass cottage is supposed to be 40 by 50. And they also give it to you in inches, approximately 16 by 20. That is almost the same size, I want to say, on some of the Star Ore. Now, they come in these cute boxes. Cute boxes right here. With instructions on one side. Nice pretty box with diamonds on one. Tells you it's recyclable, all that good stuff. One end just has a diamond and the other end shows you what the picture is. I don't know why I fell in love with this one. This is Enchanted Friends. It's a 30 by 30, approximately 12 inches by 12 inches square. And let's get the box out of here. Same thing, the box is designed the same way. This side is what did I call this thing? What is it called? Stained glass cottage, sorry. Stained glass are pretty. I'm not a fan of doing them as a diamond painting. I don't know why. But this one, I don't know, it's almost like a gingerbread Christmassy type of feel. We're getting into that, that season. So I was like, why not? And this one was 26. So let's check them out. Paint by number concept. I'm going to keep the box, but I'm going to stick it over here. So let's see. I want to make sure I keep you guys in frame at the same time of me paying attention when I'm doing. So a basic toolkit, a square tray, that's different. Right. Oh, and tweezers. Now, 30 colors. I'm going to write that down real quick. 30 colors. And when I'm done doing this video, I will be getting back to doing Jeter over here. I want to get it done. Okay, and then we got our drills. Their canvases are full crystal. You probably know that already. And this is how they're bagged. So you have 14 and then the canvas code. And I guess their codes for the crystals are as follows. Number 1 on the chart is color 3. I don't know a lot about these rhinestones and how they are numbered in general, if this is a true like DMC code for them, like a coding system that's universal or not. So don't, don't quote me on any of that. But I do have numbers, and then they start with letters. And then when you get down to Z, they start with special type of shapes in general. Like this is a diamond. This is the hashtag or pound symbol, as the people back from the day, and the and symbol. And then that's the thumbnail. And it's a big legend, so that is pretty good. And it is on both sides. As you can see. Now I am going to measure this because I want to make sure it's true to size, or glimmer, shimmers, and shine. I think that's cute. I want to make sure that the image is true to size, or if it's the canvas. So this would be a 40 by 50. So let's see what we got here. It is true, it is a 50 on top. I know I don't have you guys in full view, I'm trying, but my camera is my cell phone by 40. So it is true to image size, 40 by 50. So that is true to size. And they are all rhinestones. You do not give you an inventory sheet, which is fine. I don't need an extra one for a size like this. For the size like a 60 by 90, when they have the key so small, yes, I will need an extra one. I'm going to do a quick inventory with you guys on camera because there's only 30 colors. Please excuse the crinkling. My oldest is out walking for school, so it kind of makes it easier for me to do a video, because she like sits by the door and listens like a weirdo. So we have this dark rich cherry red. 2, 3 is like a golden color. 4 is a champagne. 5 is a light green. 6 is a dark green. 7 is like an emerald green. 8 is like an ice blue. I have 2 bags of 8. 9 is also an icy blue. 9, 10 is a greenish blue. 11, dark blue. 12, it's a really deep dark purple. 13, it's like a strawberry. 14 is like a dark champagne, almost like a brown. 15, 16, let me put the light on. I don't know if that would help any. 16, 17 is a dark chocolate, basically. 18 is a gray. 20 is like a black, like a 310 in rhinestone. These colors are awesome. I'm not used to seeing any of these colors in a rhinestone. So let's see. What number was that? 20. 18. Okay, they skipped 19, and 19's in this area. I have 3 bags of 19, which I think this is more like a 310. So number 20 is probably like a 939. So this is probably what the lines for the stained glass is going to be. So 19, 20 was in the other, so 21. It's like an 823, I guess. 22, it's like a dark grayish brown. 23, it's like a dark blue. It's really dark. That could be maybe a 310. 24, 25. It's a deep, really dark red. Really dark red. It's hard to see it, but it is a dark red. In the light, you can see it. 25. 26 is the light purple. 27 is another blue. 28 is a purple. 29 is that bright yellow. That's nice. And 30. So inventory is here. Inventory is all here. The beautiful colors. Colors I have never seen. I have some Star Aura. I keep calling it Star Aura. I don't know why. But even some of those colors I have not seen with some of hers that I've done. So this is the cottage. Very nice. So all those different blacks and like a dark, really dark black, grayish colors are going to probably be the shading for the stained glass effect. And this was the stained glass cottage. I'm not sure how many of these she had left. I'm surprised she had that still because that one is beautiful. I am so surprised she had that one. The next one, we're going to do the Enchanted Friends. I don't know why. I just thought this was so cute and I thought of my daughter. And some of these I see is like I'm just going to do them for her and try to put them in her room, but I don't know how much wall space she has. So same thing, basic toolkit with the square tray. This one's a little beat up. That is going to be fine. I don't think that's going to be a big deal. See, look, already fixed. No, that's not. That's nothing. That would be fixed quick. You just got to lace on heavy on it for a minute and it'll be fine. I love that glimmers, shimmers, and shines. All right. So that is cute. Very cute. And I think this is going to be true to size since the other one is. But you never know. So let's check it out. You guys are in view to see everything. So it is a 30. Right in the nose, the button right there, 30. I could do it closer to use. In the view. So 30 by 30. And this also has 30 colors. 30, 30, 30. 30 colors. This one was 20. The cottage was $26. I'm not sure if I said that. And so we have the cute little unicorn. And same thing on both sides. You guys can see that. Color code again. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. They're in order, but not in like order to where, you know. Again, I don't know if these are true rhinestone DMC codes for the rhinestones or not. But numbers, they start off with, again, up to 8. And then A, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Then again, they go to the diamond, the pound, or the hashtag, and the and symbol again. So it looks like they use the same codes all the time to make it easier so you don't, you know, like some of them just use some weird funky codes. I don't know. Like I give some of them their nicknames, like the U-turn, the building in the hand. Like I have my, like the equal and greater to symbols. I call to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. That's just my way of coping with the weird symbols. All right. So 1 is the mirror finish. I have 2 ones actually. 2 is a dark red, like we had in the other one. 3 is a bright red. 4 is a light pink. 5 is a brighter pink. 6 is like a neon. 7 is like a pinky purple. 8 is a dark, dark yellow. 9 is an orangey color. 10 is like a light orangey yellow. 11 is an orange. 12 is a dark green, almost like an emerald. 13 is a blue. 14 is a darker blue. 15 is a light purple, like a lavender in a way. 16 is a deep purple. 17 is a dark red again. 17, 18 is a rich orange. 19 is like a champagne, a dark champagne color. So we're on 19, right? Yes. Got 20, 21, 22. I'm in the viewfinder here trying to see. 23. That dark gray again. Got two 23s. 24. 25. 26. 27 is like the 310 or 939. 28 is a light baby pink. Dusty rose. 29. And 30. I'm trying to do that to get the best little light, but it's hard for me to even see through my viewfinder because the camera's up so high. It's almost up to like my nose. So inventory looks good. It's all here too. So like I said, I got it from Crystal Canvas Art. Very quick shipping. I did not have to pay for shipping. They did not charge me tax either, so I got it for $46 even. And so it's the Crystal Canvas Art Stained Glass Cottage and the Enchanted Friends. And that was it. So I want to say thank you for watching. Yeah, go check them out. She did have a lot that was out of stock. But I'm, going to be working on two that are already have in my mind that I want to work on. The Christmas one and the Enchanted Cottage will probably be after that one because they're all Christmas themes. So I'm going to go. I'm going to say have a blessed day. Keep on diamond painting because I'm going to start working on this Jeter so I can get going on my other ones. So have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye.